Hello and welcome back to this month's episode of Palmera GO. Before we get started, please stay tuned until the end of this video for the chance to tell us what you would like to see in our future Palmera GO videos. We'd like to thank you for watching and want to make sure we're highlighting the features and destinations you'd like to see next. Now back to this month's content. It's May, which means that summer is just around the corner, and you know what that means? A well-deserved summer vacation for those hard-working students and teachers. Summer means sunshine, pool days, and lots of rest and relaxation. Hilton Head Island has all that and more, making it a prime summer vacation destination for all ages. And lucky for you, members have exclusive access to Hilton Head Island inventory for the summer season through their Palmera Vacation Club portal. If you'd like to use your points, the portal makes it easy to search availability at your favorite resort. If you have an arrival date in mind, just plug it in and choose between a 7, 4, or 3-night stay. It's as easy as that. Plus, if you do have to change your date, this search bar makes it really easy to do so. If we scroll down, you can see that there's a protocol getaway for just 3,700 points. If you'd rather utilize the cash option, you can always take a look at what's available through member-exclusive VIP weeks back on the dashboard. They're organized by month. If I were you, I'd take a look sooner than later for a better chance at finding the week you had in mind. And just to compare, here are the options available the same week as the point option I found. Now that you've discovered how easy it is to book your summer vacation on the island, I wanted to show you all one of Hilton Head's treasures, the Coastal Discovery Museum. A Smithsonian affiliate, this facility allows guests to learn about the captivating Lowcountry through exhibits, family-friendly events, tours, and hands-on experiences. Keep the Coastal Discovery Museum in mind for your next trip to the island. Speaking of summer vacation destinations, when I was looking through the RCI Exchange, I kept finding a bunch of special offers from resorts in fabulous, fun locations. If you've never looked through these tabs before, you're missing out. Now is the time to take advantage of the deals and discounts these resorts are offering. If we take a look at what's being offered within the United States, you'll see that there are tons of great destinations just waiting for you. Most are offering waived or discounted resort fees, like this resort located in Key West. With beautiful weather almost year-round, Key West is perfect for the outdoor enthusiast. Surrounded by pristine waters, there are plenty of opportunities to dive or snorkel to see the amazing coral reef habitats up close and discover shipwrecks, some dating back to the 1700s. If you'd rather explore above the waves, there are plenty of boat rentals and tours available. Now this sounds like a great time to check out what kind of activities Quest has available in Key West and the surrounding keys. There are always tons of great opportunities and discounts to be found, which makes it easy to plan your stay wherever you travel. Here it looks like there are specials on kayaking, paddleboarding, and other water sports, as well as historic and local food tours. You can't visit Key West without a slice of key lime pie and a basket of conch fritters. There you have it. Another month, another Palmera GO, giving you inspiration to plan your next trip wherever and whenever that might be. Before we say goodbye, I hope all of you take a moment to click the link in the description below to let us know what you'd like to see in next month's video. Until next time!